In this video, I'll show you how to hire blog writers to write articles for you. As you can see, I have ordered various services in the Fiverr and I have 22 completed orders and 6 cancelled because those were not quality work for me. So one thing that is best about Fiverr is if you are not satisfied with the work that freelancer had done, then you can cancel their order like I have did in case of blog writers. So now let me show you how to hire blog writers in Fiverr. If you don't have a Fiverr account, then I have given a link in the description of this video. You can see there for the best current offer that you can get while joining Fiverr. Once you join the Fiverr, then you will see this kind of screen. Now what you can do is you can simply click on here and write blog writers. Okay, you can select these blog writing blog articles or any of these. And one thing I would suggest you to do, because you need to talk to the writers, so that's why you can select this online sellers and it will show you the online sellers only. So now you can select any writer and just click on their gig and read the description they have for basic plan, standard plan and premium plan, how much they charge, and you can read their description also. While reading this description, you can see if the writer has a good writing skill or not by looking their description also. Now before ordering, simply click on the writer's name. Here you can see contact me. You can click on there and type your message. Hi, my requirements. These kind of things you can write here and order, or you can talk with them about your requirement. This is the one way to order your freelance writer. Now another way you can do is you can simply go to this icon where you will keep your profile picture and click on post a request. Now once you do this much, now you can write here, I am looking for blog writer, my requirements are. You can write this much, whatever your requirements are, and you can choose a category. Now it would be on writing and translation, and then you can select subcategory articles and blog post. Now how fast you want the delivery, within 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, whatever your choice is, just click on it and put your budget you are willing to pay to someone who can write article for you. Now it starts from $5, but I would suggest you to offer a little bit more. You don't need to pay instantly, okay? You'll only pay when you order, and you'll have a 15 days or somewhat like that money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with the work, you can ask for refund by contacting the support. So for this case, I would put $15, and now you can simply click on submit request. Okay, once you submit the request, it would go to pending verification, and once it is verified, it may take some hours, and then people will apply for your job. They will say I can write this article, and they will write some description. You can go to their profile and check if they are good fit for your work or not, in the same way that I have shown you previously. You can simply click on their profile and go to the details and check if they are good fit or not, and then you can if you'd like to order, then there will be a order now button. You can simply click on that. In the way I have clicked continue $5, and you can select or deselect this according to your requirement. Don't take it like in a too vast way. Okay, it is simply you can see if you add these extras, then it would cost you more money. So simply order whatever you want to order and click on continue to checkout, and you can pay with either PayPal or with card, and just click on confirm and pay, and you will be charged up to $2 extra. As you can see here, service fee, it is 2.25. you can select. Okay, so up to $40 you need to pay 2.25, and if you are ordering of more than $40, then it would be like double the 2.25. in that way service charge will be charged to you. Okay, so in this way you can hire blog writers to write article for you, and if you are not satisfied with the article, you should cancel. Okay, because that will also increase the quality of the work in freelance by the freelancer, because if you start to accept because they have done some work, some not good work, and if you are accepting, then that will encourage them to do such rubbish thing again and again. So it is also your responsibility to cancel such order and hire other good writers. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, then press the like button. If you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.